First up at 4 o'clock, the Michigan Court of Appeals is now deciding if the case of Christopher Schur, who is charged with second-degree murder in the killing of Patrick Lyoya, will move forward.
News 8's Megan Bunchman was in the courtroom today. She joins us now with the latest on this. Megan?
Emily and Sue, the arguments for both the defense and prosecuting attorneys and questions from the three judges lasted a little more than an hour this morning.
Your Honors, we are here today on interlocutory appeal.
The case of Christopher Schur is now in the hands of the Michigan Court of Appeals.
And I just want you to address whether this weapon, solely in drive stun mode, was a dangerous weapon under the totality of the circumstances here.
As the three-judge panel decides if the now former GRPD officer Schur is protected under the current law, which allows officers to use deadly force in the case of a fleeing felon.
There's no reason why Officer Schur would be grappling as hard as he would if he thought that this didn't pose a threat to him.
Schur pulled Patrick Lyoya over for a traffic stop back on April 4th of 2022. Video shows Lyoya in an altered state as he ignored Schur's request several times before a fight ensued.
Officer Schur took the necessary steps to...
Schur's attorney said common law protects officers who use deadly force when the officer reasonably believes that the fleeing suspect is a threat. The defense also added police are held to a different standard because they are asked every day to put themselves in harm's way to protect the community.
Here, police officers have always been afforded certain justifications that others aren't, and we give them by law those justifications. For example, if I commit a crime and an officer comes up to me and grabs me and puts my arms behind my back, puts me in a police car, takes me downtown and books me, that's not assault and battery, kidnapping. That's the officer justified in making the arrest because I committed a crime.
While the prosecution argued that police officers are not above the law and should be held to the same rules as that of any civilian.
We're here after a district court's decision to bind over a defendant following a probable cause determination. The job of this court is not to assess whether or not the defendant is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, but whether or not there's questions of fact that must be submitted to a jury.
Ben Johnson, who's representing the Lyoya family in a civil suit, says,
I believe under Michigan law, all people are created equal, and the law applies to them equally. And just because you have a badge doesn't mean you can get away with shooting somebody in the back of the head.
Both Schur's and Lyoya's family were in court this morning, anxiously listening to the judge's questions. The written opinion from the Court of Appeals could take months, as at least two of the three judges must come to an agreement.
The dual system.
Once the Court of Appeals decides on this case, a trial date could be set for Schur, or they may actually appeal it again, which then would go to the Supreme Court. Sue.
Megan, thank you. Turning to the